often should you use HOCl to keep your cistern or rainwater tank clean and odor-free? Let's break it down. HOCl is an eco-friendly cleaner that's 103 times more effective than bleach. It's the same formula that the white blood cells make to defend the immune system. SolutionsHOCl Cistern and Catchment Bomb uses natural oxidation to penetrate and neutralize algae stains and odors with extreme effectiveness. So how often should you treat your tank? Every 1 to 2 months for regular maintenance. Monthly if your tank gets sunlight or collects roof runoff. If your water comes from rain off the roof with bird and rodent droppings, leaves, or organic buildup, treat monthly. For regular use, monthly does the job. 1 scoop treats 1,000 gallons, choose 100 grams for 5,000 gallons, or 500 grams for up to 25,000 gallons economy size. Enjoy fresh, odor-free water, backed by our 100% satisfaction guarantee. Don't take our word for it. Google HOCl World's Best Cleaning Agent and see why it's trusted worldwide. Clean smarter, not harder. Get your cistern and catchment bomb from SolutionsHOCl.com or your Ace Hardware, health food store, or water tank store, or ask them to stock it.